Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to calculate annual gas costs for a vehicle if you know the miles per gallon of the vehicle. Let's say you buy a Lexus NX 300H that gets 31 miles per gallon and you drive an average of 25 miles per day for 365 days. Your annual gas expense will be what? Assuming $3.26 per gallon for gas. Well, let's figure out how many miles we're going to go. So 365 times 25 that equals 9,125 miles. And then if I need to go 9,125 miles and I get 31 miles per gallon, if I divide by the 31 miles per gallon, that tells me how many gallons I need to buy. Calculator says 294 gallons. And then if I multiply that by $3.26, $3.26 per gallon, 294 gallons for $3.26 per gallon. So that equals $958.44. Now, when you did this division to find out the number of miles, you probably had some decimal and then some miles, or some, miles, and then you probably, no, you wouldn't have had any decimal there, but you would have had some decimal here. You would have had not exactly 294 miles, you would have had point something something something. I just rounded off. And then if you don't round off, you'll get a little bit different, but the computer accepts values within plus or minus 5%, so you'll be all right. If you buy a Nissan Frontier that gets 18 miles per gallon and you drive an average of 29 miles per day for 365 days per year, your annual gas cost would be what? Assuming $3.03 per gallon for gas. 365 times 29 miles every day. $10,585 miles. And divide that by 18 miles per gallon. $588 gallons. And if I multiply that by $3.03 per gallon, $1,782. If I round to the nearest dollar anyways. Okay, so now let's take and compare those two. One that gets 16 miles per gallon, one that gets 35 miles per gallon, and see what the difference will be between those two for a 1 year. Well, let's figure out how many miles we need to go. We need to go 365 times 26 miles every day. $9,490 miles. So if I do 9,490 miles divided by 16 miles per gallon, that turns out to be 593 gallons. If I do 9,490 miles divided by 35 miles per gallon. That turns out to be 271 gallons, rounded to the nearest gallon. Well, so let's go ahead and subtract the gallons then. So 593 minus 271. That is a difference of 322 gallons. And so that many gallons, if I save that many gallons by getting a higher mile per gallon car at $3.21 per gallon, that turns out to be $1,034 to the nearest dollar anyways. So just one way to compare annual gas costs for different vehicles that you have an option of buying, and then you can decide from there which one you want.